Hi Uday, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Varshini from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take feedback video from you. Can you introduce
Okay.
yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Chandra. I'm from Karnool. I'm currently pursuing BTech fourth year in G. Pulla College, and I have done my intermediate in Sri Chaitanya Junior College. I have done an internship in 4 weeks of internship in CMTI, and I have done major internship in Karnool Municipal Corporation,
Yeah,
and I have done a major project which has named as the experimental study on mechanical properties of the high strength concrete by partial replacement of cement with metacoline, ma'am.
yeah, that's nice. Can I know how you know about CMTI?
Yeah, ma'am. In our college, they have conducted a 4 week internship, ma'am, on SketchUp, AutoCAD, and estimations on bar betting schedule, ma'am. The classes are so good, ma'am.
Yeah,
They have
that's
explained everything very clearly, ma'am.
okay. That's good. Can I know what is the procedures you have faced in the interview?
Yeah, ma'am. First, I have came to the CMD office, ma'am. After that, they have kept an assessment, which is about 20 marks, and an interview has been conducted by the Ashok sir, ma'am. And after that, Ashok sir suggested a company to me, and I have went to that company, so that I got selected, ma'am.
That's good. How CMTI helped through the interview to crack the interview?
CMT has given me knowledge how to crack the job, ma'am, and also gave a confidence by giving us course like SketchUp, AutoCAD, and bar bending scheduling. So like that, it helped me, ma'am.
That's good. And what do you say to your friends and your juniors about CMTR?
Yeah, ma'am. CMT is a good institute, ma'am, for training. There are lots of courses in CMT like interior designing and some other. I have done only interior design, so I know about only interior designing. And lots of there are experienced persons in CMT, ma'am. They will explain very clearly about the subject or software, anything, ma'am. So I will say only one thing, ma'am. You have to, if you have a passion in civil engineering and you want to go for a civil jobs, then prefer a good training, and which will give by the CMT, ma'am. That's it.
And that's good for, can I know for which role you have selected?
I have selected for the interior designing site engineer, ma'am.
Yeah,
Execution engineer.
good. Congratulations, Uday, for your placement. Have a
Thank you.
bright future, Uday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.